Hi, this is Brian Kennedy with ICANN. We're here at NAB New York 2023, and we're here at the booth, and we're showing the new EG25XR-PRO encoded tripod. So this tripod captures the pan, tilt, zoom, and focus, and it outputs it in a format that's compatible with every virtual production software. So this is the data box right here. This is going to get all of the encoded data from the encoders and output them to 3D protocol. So the front side of the data box has a LAN output. So this is going to be sending all the 3D protocol data over the Ethernet cable via UDP. And then we have a micro SD card slot that's going to have all your configuration files. It's going to be you're going to be able to assign your IP addresses there. And then we also have the Genlock input. If you have a sync generator that's either outputting Blackburst or tri-level sync, you can plug it in here and it'll automatically sync up. We also have an output for serial data. So this one is a RS422 output, in case you want to just use RS422 output. So both the external encoders and the internal encoders built into the lens have a resolution of 65,536. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about the EG25XR-PRO, go to icanncorp.com.